My boyfriend is a state cop for almost 30 years. He's outside. He put his hands on.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today, we are reacting to a police officer who apparently had to have his girlfriend arrested at a bar. So, let's get into it, shall we?
Me right here 3 times because I tried to pay my tab and he's so disrespectful. Check the cameras and watch him. This he was saying and how he put his hands on me. Go show them your cameras right now. No, because he put his hands on me. Here, I want to press charges on your ass.
Hey, relax, don't get close.
He shoved me and put his hands on me.
But you're getting angry at us, and we're just trying to talk to you calmly.
I want to press charges.
Can you do me a favor and pay your tab first before we do it?
I already did, and I will show you on my phone. It's got charged twice, and I got 2 tabs right there.
Okay.
Dumbass motherfucker.
Fine both times.
Are you stupid?
Ma'am.
Are you stupid? It shows on my
If you take one more step towards the
Stop.
detained.
We're not playing that, right? You have to relax.
You have to relax.
What do you mean I'm going to take
You have
because
to
I'm trying
Yes,
to...
because you're getting too
Look at your
close.
You're
behavior.
getting too aggressive towards us.
Look at your behavior. I have
Okay,
not
now
raised
listen
my
up.
voice.
You think funny?
Not ma'am.
You're the new manager here.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
talk to us, please, instead of him.
I will show you both charges on my phone and both receipts.
Where are the receipts at? Show me the receipts.
Right there.
Okay, can you go get him for us, please?
100%.
Thank you.
And the cop that I'm dating is outside. Gave him $20. I'm talking.
Ma'am.
He just asked me about the tab, so I'm
So
telling
talk
him.
about, show us the
telling you-
receipts.
I'm
Show us the
talking.
receipts.
I'm
Show
talking.
us the receipts.
I'm talking.
Show us the receipts. You're not in charge here. Show us the receipts. Show us
Are
the
you
receipts.
listening to what I'm saying?
You're not
I'm
listening
telling
to
you,
what we're
give your
telling
command
you.
to show me the receipts.
Are these your receipts right here? I don't think you want to
Are you
make
gonna
this
show us
worse.
the
We're literally
receipts?
The
asking you.
receipts are all right there,
Okay.
and on my phone, and on the camera. Oh, your ass manager shoved me from right here to here 3 times.
Man,
This is your tab. This is not a receipt.
you haven't paid your tab.
My God, it's on my card right here.
Okay, then show
Oh my
us.
God.
You just have to
This happens every time.
It's a $50 tab.
Every time. Every time.
just take a second
Every
and breathe, right? You don't want to make it worse.
Road after 3 times.
I understand, but I don't think you're listening to us. We're asking you to pay the tab first.
You know what? Did you-
Ma'am, show us the tab.
I am. But
Stop
I
talking.
want.
Shane,
No,
stop
I'm gonna keep
talking.
talking. I'm
Man,
gonna
you're
keep
gonna
talking.
you're gonna be detained.
I'm gonna keep talking, and I want those cameras shown.
Show us the receipt on your phone.
That's right here.
You're
Grab
not showing me
those
anything. You're
cameras.
not showing me anything, man. You're acting disorderly.
Don't talk to me like I'm stupid.
You're acting disorderly.
I'm pulling it up.
Can you pull up for me, please?
100%. Here we
Thank
go.
you.
Look at that.
Can I see?
Yeah. Minor Street
Can I
Tavern.
see?
Don't you don't have to touch my phone.
Dad,
That's $18. Your bill
No,
posted
it was 4 times.
I don't want
It doesn't say 4 times.
It was.
to toss it right.
Alright, everybody, take a look at how extremely vindictive she is acting just because she did not get her way. Like, seriously, just look at it. Regardless, this is the exact reason why you need to test the woman out before you do anything too serious with them. Her being attracted to you is nowhere near enough. After all, if she's demonstrating just a little bit of vindictive behavior early on, keep in mind, everybody, there is a monumental, huge difference between a child demonstrating vindictive behavior and a full-grown adult woman. And keep in mind, everybody, you've been warned. You have been warned.
It says $18.
Sorry. No, you're good.
Did I say it was all in 1 tab?
You said you paid it all.
Exactly.
It's only $18.
Exactly.
So where's the rest of the...
Did you let me talk and finish?
Bring it down. No one else is raising their voice.
Well, don't disrespect me.
I'm
And
not.
I
I
won't
mean, I
disrespect
think
you.
I've actually very been respectful to you. And I've given you a
They
lot of
close
leeway.
out,
Uh-huh.
and I reopen.
Okay. Then where's the rest of the 50? 18 is not $50.
I will not leave here until you guys pull up these cameras that I gave them cash. You can detain me, you can bring me and send that. I swear to God, pull those cameras up. I will sit here until I prove. I swear to God, pull it up right now.
You're saying
You're not leaving until you pay the tax.
Let's get an ID too. Pull those cameras up.
you have an ID on
I
you?
told you.
You want us to report it, don't you?
You have an ID?
I do. That's
You
real.
give me my ID.
I do have your ID.
No, you don't.
Are you refusing to give me your ID?
No, I'm not refusing.
Then I'm demanding your ID, please.
You're not demanding because I don't have
I'm
to do it.
commanding now.
You're
All
commanding.
right. Put her in custody. We're gonna take her to the station.
Stop.
Come on, get up.
Get up.
We're not playing games here.
Stop.
You were told that you can take your ID. We're just gonna trespass you, but you decided not to do that. Yes, we can do.
1851. Are you guys out with that female?
I want your phone to drop. There you go.
Like,
You do it over a tab.
finish it.
You got me up. Over a tab.
You are pretty intoxicated. Maybe I think that's what's contributing for you not listening to us.
How do you know I'm intoxicated like that?
Are you kidding me? I could smell, and just from experience, I know that you're intoxicated.
You don't know me.
Okay, you're right. I don't know you, so nothing personal.
Ma'am, stop.
Are you guys going to grab the footage from this bar?
Yes?
Yeah, we'll look at the
Pull my
footage.
shirt
Oh, yeah,
down,
we will.
please.
All right.
You good?
Yeah.
Pull my shirt down.
Oh, okay.
Alright, everybody, let's seriously take a real good look at what this feminist woman is wearing. Like, she's wearing a very mini skirt and a top that is revealing quite a lot of top. And I mean quite a lot. The reason why we should take a good look at this is because, let's face it, everybody, we all know the exact reason why women go to bars and clubs dressed like that. We all know. And it's definitely not to be faithful to their boyfriends. It definitely is not.
She will. We will
Yeah, she
not.
will be touching.
And grab my glasses.
Okay.
Pull the footage.
All right, come
All
on.
right. Come on.
Come on. We're
Don't
not gonna play.
grab me. I'm not fighting you guys.
Stop it. Calmly walk out. Calmly walk out.
Oh, stop. I'm not even fighting you guys.
Okay, that's fine. Just
God.
We're just well, listen.
You guys, I shall
Whatever you want.
I shall go for the tab. You guys are damn bitches. I shall prove on my phone and the receipt. You don't tell me
Here, you want to just shine a light in here real quick?
if I prove on my phone of the tab and the receipt, you touch me like this again, you stupid as the
there you go.
I've been coming to this bar for 15 plus years. I would never do that.
Then here's the $1 million question: if your boyfriend's a cop, then why do you have cocaine?
Are you stupid?
Oh, it's in your bag.
If you guys don't, I can't feel my wrist. I cannot feel my wrist. My right hand.
Well, I have a pretty good idea of why she has cocaine, even though her supposed boyfriend is a cop. Because let's face it, she's not the first woman in human history who pretended to like a guy for power. And she definitely will not be the last. Good night, everybody. Have a nice night.